Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be talking about simple present exercises for beginners too. Let's dive in. Simple present exercises for beginners too. Exercise. Put the verb in parentheses in simple present. Answer number one. They all speak three languages. They all speak three languages. Number two, this is a negative sentence. I don't like traveling or I do not like traveling. Either of these two is correct. Number three, I love you. I love you. Number four, this weighs 20 kilograms. This weighs 20 kilograms. Answer number five. We like bananas. We like bananas. Number six. The girl wants to play. The girl wants to play. Number seven. You need to sleep. You need to sleep. Number eight. They agree with me. They agree with me. Number nine, she hears something strange. She hears something strange. Number 10, the box contains food. The box contains food. Answer, Sally looks sad. Sally looks sad. Number 12, Arnold knows how to fix a car. Arnold knows how to fix a car. Number 13. Ken and Samantha seem happy. Ken and Samantha seem happy. Number 14. This smells nice. This smells nice. Number 15. This is a negative sentence. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Number 16. We are the champions. We are the champions. And number 17, Connor always kisses his children good night. So this video ends here about simple present exercises for beginners 2.